Understand how an NG tube works. An NG tube is a Salem sump pump, basically. The air vent, the blue piece, is to keep the tube from adhering to the stomach wall. This piece here goes to the patient. If you understand how this works, you'll understand why the pigtail or the air vent is so important. I'm going to demonstrate in this glass here. I want you to see where the air bubble comes out from here when I instill some air in it. Okay? Keep an eye on where that air bubble is. The air bubble is way down at the bottom, if you see. It's way down here. Okay? This is the part going to the patient here. This is the part that will add the suction to the machine. Now, notice where this air bubble is. As you can see, it's way up. It's 2 inches from the top, or from the bottom of that tube there. That is the difference between a Salem sump. See where the difference is? The air is coming from up here, not from the below. I'm going to demonstrate that again. In the pigtail has the air vent down at the bottom. Notice it's down here. That is how a Salem sump works. Again, if your pigtail is full of fluid, the sump is not working. This will adhere to the stomach. That's a quick show on how a Salem NG tube works. You have to have a patent airway or air vent here. If it's not patent, it's going to adhere to the side of the stomach and you're going to have problems. It's not going to use the action of the suction to work. You need to have an open air vent at all times. You can instill it with your piston syringe. Again, I'm going to show you where it usually sucks from, and that's a good 2.5 inches from the top, or from the bottom of the tube. It's right here. That's where the suction occurs. This is the air vent. Quick understanding of how an NG tube works.